Hello everyone. I'm Emma, your British English teacher.
Hi there. I'm Jake, your American English teacher.
Today, we will learn about the past simple, but focusing on negatives and questions.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Why do we need to know about the past?
Great question, Jake. We need to talk about past events. For example, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday? I didn't do much. I stayed home.
That's perfect. You used didn't. Can you tell me, where did you stay?
I stayed at home, but I didn't go anywhere fun.
What about last week? What did you do then?
Last week? I didn't go to the movies. What about you, Emma?
I went to a concert. It was amazing. What did you think about that?
Oh, I didn't know you went to a concert. When did it happen?
It happened last Saturday. I danced and sang.
That sounds fun, but I didn't dance.
That's all right. Dancing isn't for everyone. Did you enjoy your time at home?
Yes, I enjoyed it. I watched movies. What movies did you watch?
I saw a new film. What did you think about my idea? Was it fun?
I didn't think about going out, but your idea sounds great.
Wonderful. Now, let's look at asking questions in the past simple.
Like, did you, right?
Exactly. We can ask, did you go to the concert? Or, where did you go?
I see. So how do we make it negative?
We add not to did. For example, I didn't go to the concert.
Okay, can you give us more examples?
Sure. I didn't eat breakfast this morning. Or, did you visit your friends?
Got it. I didn't visit my friends last week.
Perfect. Now let's practice more. Here's the first dialogue. Jake, when did you go on vacation?
I didn't go on vacation last year.
Oh no. When did you go on vacation?
I went 2 years ago. What about you, Emma?
I didn't take a vacation last year either.
When did you take your last vacation?
I went to Italy 3 years ago.
That's awesome. I didn't know that. What did you see in Italy?
I saw beautiful buildings and ate amazing food.
Did you go to the beach?
Yes, I did. I loved the beach. Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Mexico, but I didn't like the food there.
Oh no. What didn't you like?
I just didn't enjoy it. I wanted pizza.
Haha. You really love pizza, don't you?
Yes, I do. I always choose pizza. Did you have pizza in Italy?
I did. It was the best pizza ever.
I need to go to Italy then.
You definitely should. Now, it's time to explore some vocabulary.
Great. What's the first word?
The first word is did. Here's an example. What did you eat yesterday?
Okay, I can use that too. Did you like the movie?
Yes, I did. Did you see it? That's a good one.
Thanks. What's next?
Didn't is next. For example, I didn't go to school yesterday.
I see. I didn't watch TV last night.
Exactly. Now let's move on to when. Here's an example. When did you call me?
Got it. When did you see your friends?
Very good. Next is where. For example, where did you go last summer?
Great. Where did you eat last night?
Yes, perfect. And lastly, we have what. Like, what did you buy yesterday?
I can use that too. What did you do on the weekend?
Excellent. Now let's review with some questions.
I'm ready.
First question. Did you go to the park last Sunday?
No, I didn't go.
Great. Second question. When did you visit your grandparents?
I didn't visit them last month.
Excellent. Third question. Where did you go last Friday?
I didn't go anywhere special.
Wonderful. Fourth question. What did you eat yesterday?
I ate a sandwich.
Perfect. Last question. Did you see any friends this week?
I didn't see any friends this week.
Well done, Jake. You answered very well.
Thanks, Emma. I feel more confident now.
I'm glad to hear that. This was a great lesson.
Yes. What will we learn next time?
Next, we'll explore the future tense. It's going to be exciting.
I can't wait. See you all next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.